pensive of heart and sorrowful. I'll make a cobbler since it please me. I would not be blamed if you please me, though my song be not so full of grace, as if I were rejoicing for games nor solace, nor the voicing of song without joy never had their season. But I will sing my song, be worth or treason. Yet though I am all sorrowful, when I am well considered in thoughts, I see wonders many and oft, but at one I am most wonderful. And I am too much marveling how a man can do a wrongful thing or sin, who thinks from death he has no pardon. Stands assured of death's own day, and knows it will not turn away, that each one shall be buried all. But he who leaves not his deceits seems to be in doubting feats, for who carves the stick of his own death's burden believes he'll not die, or his knowledge is not certain. But for myself I am more sorrowful, full of wonder and full of ire. For what I blame most I do entire toward God, who was dead and treacherous, to save us from the torment's harms and from the infernal alarms. If I have sinned, I beg him to forgive me, and I shall make confession while I sing free. For I have done, I am sorrowful, the 7 deadly sins of shame, which grieve me and displease my name, and of the small faults so many in full, that I cannot remember them. So I bow beseeching at your hem, God, who on the cross forgave a thief alone, to pardon me and look not on reason known. Merciful, so I beg you, mercy crying, for right demands my descending. Then let mercy help me, for I summon her.